So today we'll be making a wave ring. For this tutorial you'll need 20 gauge art wire, flush cut pliers, chain nose pliers. So let's start. Since I'm not quite sure how much exactly I'll need because I'm making a toe ring, when I finish with the wave I'll just have to measure the circumference, which is basically the length around the toe ring, the toe, the toe, and then we'll see. So let's start. All you need to do is do this, then repeat on the other side, and on that side, on that side, that side, that side, that. See, nice wave. It doesn't have to be perfect because wavers are not perfect. Right, that's supposed to be around 5 centimeters, so that might be done. So how do we finish it? Alright, we cut that. Then we'll make this one a bit bigger. Right. Get the ring mandrel. Just go around it like that. Okay. Now I have a nice cute wave. Now we have to finish the ends, and how I do it is I usually just get my chain nose pliers and close it here. Got a bit of that. And close that one as well. Here. And close it like that. This is a cute wave ring, and pretty much something like this. It's for my toe, but I'm gonna put it on my finger so you can see how it looks like. This is at the back, this is at the front. It's cute wave ring, handmade, unique. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.